Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. The color of this boat is Horizon, powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke. As you can see on the back platform, we do have the sea deck option, ski pylon. Coming into the boat with a walkthrough transom, you will see easy access to your battery on-off switch, removable beach cooler. By having the outboard out back, it allows for plenty of storage in the back of the boat. Also has a full boat cover that comes with it. Stainless steel grab handles, cooler, and more storage. So we come forward to the helm. We'll see a nice helm seat, flip up thigh rise bolster. This is also going to come with your Simrad GPS, stereo fusion with Bluetooth, tilt wheel steering, all your plug-ins, USB and 12 volt. Here on the port side, same seat, flip up bolster, lockable glove box, plenty of storage here on the port side. As we make our way to the bow, this boat's rated for 10 people with plenty of bow seating. This also has the interior cockpit lights and the new stone interior. This completes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.